About 3,000 delegates are arriving in Durban for the South African AIDS Conference. Our reporter Vusi Khumalo is there and will tell us what's happening. Vusi, what can we expect? Have proceedings begun yet?
Yes, currently what is happening is that the march from King Dinizulu Park to Kukudlamini Park, that's about 3 kilometers, is currently underway. We've seen quite a number of people, I would say maybe scores or hundreds of people that took part. They were led by the KwaZulu-Natal Premier, Mr. Sihle Zikalala, as well as several MECs here in the cabinet of KwaZulu-Natal. Well, there are also other activists or health activists, HIV/AIDS activists also taking part, who had a lot of banners calling for the end of gender-based violence here in KwaZulu-Natal, and saying that this is not only a problem of KwaZulu-Natal, as we know that there are so many other interventions led by the KwaZulu-Natal Premier, Mr. Sihle Zikalala, who has just been sworn in as the Premier. There are interventions such as male circumcision, of which we are told that they've circumcised about 1.3 eligible young women in KwaZulu-Natal. As we know that KwaZulu-Natal is also regarded as the epicenter of HIV/AIDS pandemic, and also we have about 1.3 million people who are currently on HIV/AIDS medication, as well as 4.5 million people countrywide who are on HIV medication in the country.
Vusi, what's likely to be on the agenda? What are some of the other issues that will be on the table?
Well, there are quite a number of issues. We are ready to hear the issues such as people are saying that they are waiting for people to, government to ensure that this stigma, the stigmatization of people who are HIV positive is ended. There are also quite a number of other innovative ideas in order to ensure that people who are HIV positive do get medication. Also, when they go to clinics, there are no separate queues for them, which are made separately for those people, of which there are people who have spoken to us saying that they are being excluded. They are told to be on separate queues or separate queues to clinics whenever they are going there to fetch their medication. So there are also other delegates from across the country and across Africa. We have seen delegates from Africa, Kenya, people who are here to also gather some ideas on how to prevent HIV/AIDS in Africa.
All right, Vusi, we're going to leave it there and catch up with you as that story progresses.